The C3000 series has around 500 pages left on the image drum near life message. When the image drum reaches life, the machine stops and you will have to replace the image drum indicated.
Remove the C3000 drum unit from its packaging. Always use genuine Oki consumables which have the hologram marked on the outside of the box. And tear the foil strip . Remove the protective film from the drum . There's a silica gel pack that needs to be removed. And then depress the orange lever on the right hand side to remove the toner cover. Remove the LED lens cleaner from its sachet and wipe the 4 LED lens arrays. Any build-up of toner or dirt on the LED heads will cause a degradation in print quality. Remove the drum unit and toner unit from the machine in its entirety. Rotate the blue lever to remove the toner cartridge from the exhausted drum. Install it onto the new drum. Rotate the lever to lock it into place and then return it to the machine. Close the lid. Job done.